Okay, good morning, everybody. A little bit late here, sorry, some technical difficulties, but here we go. Monday, the 27th of April, and we're going to look at the three little pigs and the no indicators trading strategy in the markets this morning. The three little pigs is a free strategy available here. The no indicators trading strategy is available here. And the indicator on my charts today, excuse me, that you'll see me using is the swing trading indicator for MT4 and the three little pigs, which is available here. So the markets, I reported this at the weekend. We've only got one open trade because most of our markets are out of sync at the moment. So Aussie dollar, we can see here clearly the weekly is down and the daily is up. Excuse me. So this is the weekly chart, and a lot of these pairs are very similar. So quite a distance from the moving average on the weekly here. So unlikely that we'll get a long trade here. The daily, we need it to roll over, and the 4 hour, obviously when the daily rolls over, we wait for a signal on the 4 hour. So basically weekly's down and the daily's up. EURGBP, this is the only live trade that we've got at the moment. I reported on this chart at the weekend, so I highlighted that we took two losing trades for the full amount, one break even and one loser for about half of our risk over the past week. So just a case of basically continuing to take the signals as and when they come. So this was we had an entry here, stopped out, and we had an entry again here on Friday. So we're still short here from Friday and looking for some downward movement on EURGBP. EURJPY, and this is a similar story now for the rest of these pairs. So the weekly's down here and the daily is up. So just want to highlight how far away we are here from the moving average. So the only thing that we can look for here is short trades. So we need the daily just to roll over here, and when it does, we'll get a signal on the 4 hour as well to go short. Euro USD, very similar. Weekly's down, daily's up. So again, we're waiting for this to roll over. We won't be taking any long trades for some time. GBP USD, we're down on the weekly, and you can see once again how far away we are from the moving average. So only really be looking at taking short trades if the daily and the 4 hour roll over. We won't get anything on the long side unless there's some disaster. USD CAD, this is obviously the inverse of the Euro USD, etc., because USD is the first currency here. So the weekly's up and the daily's down, and similar pattern. Look how far away we are from the moving average. So all we can expect is trades to the trades to the upside here when the daily catches up, and then the 4 hour also gives us a signal. USD Swiss, up on the weekly and down on the daily. So again, we'll be waiting for the daily and the 4 hour to catch up. So looks like the 4 hour is going to catch up soon, and the daily, we've still got another, I don't know what it is, 72, probably about another 100 pips there. So even if we get a close here above, we won't have the daily lining up. So we'll just have to wait for a late entry similar to this one here, if we do get that move up. Okay, USD JPY, we're up on the weekly, and we have been for a long time there. And the daily, it's very similar pattern to the USD Swiss. So we need this to move up on the daily and get a signal on the 4 hour as well for an entry on the long side. Gold, those of you that trade it, there's been an opportunity here. I think it was on Wednesday, and anybody taking this will now have a stop, at least a break even or in the money stop here. So looking for weakness in gold and maybe some profits there. Not something I trade very regular. And on to no indicators, finish off. So this is the 4 4-hour chart as usual, GBP USD, Euro USD, and EURJPY. So we took a short trade here on cable, and basically as soon as we got in, the market reversed. So we took out this high here and took a long entry with a stop down here, and nothing to do yet, and probably there will be no action this week for us here on the 4-hour chart. So just wait and see, and probably have a look to move our stops next week if we can. We're short here on Euro USD. We got stopped out for a small loss, and similar to cable, as soon as we took the short trade, the market's come back against us. So if you do want to join this short trade, it's a good opportunity here. Much reduced risk compared to the original entry. A stop loss somewhere, you can see it here. So yeah, if you're not in this trade and you wish to join in, just take a short trade here with a stop somewhere up here. And a similar pattern here on EURJPY. Basically, we got short in here, and once again, if you want to join in this trade, probably about half the risk of the initial entry. So you can get in at these levels with a stop loss somewhere up here. And on that note, I thank you all for watching. Any comments, just leave them on YouTube. You can subscribe somewhere, probably, I'm guessing, but because I can't see it on my screen, but somewhere down here you can subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you'll get notification of all of our new videos. Thanks again, and all the very best to all of you.